I'm having to use someone else's phone because mine's dead. So now it's just figuring out how do you... Jamie, how do you switch to other way?
To start, press any key. Where's the any key? I see ESC, Catarl, and Pickup. There doesn't seem to be any key.
Good morning, YouTube. Bit damper this morning, but I think we were a little bit spoilt last week with the weather, with the sun shining and whatnot. But anyway, on we grind. Well, I apologise. I'm going to barbers today, get my hair cut and a shave at the same time. Looking a bit scruffy. But anyway, the lads have started today, Monday. They've gone to a job that we attempted to do about 2 weeks ago now at a nursing home. Having trouble with the neighbours next door. The nursing home needs it for security, a mesh fence, so obviously the patients can't escape and stuff. And the neighbours are just coming out and carrying on. Police have been called. That was last time, so we couldn't do the fence, I had to pull away. Anyway, I've got assured, it's all been sorted out. Neighbours are fine now, and I've said, you know, we can't just keep turning up and not being able to do the job. Blah blah blah. No, it's fine. So my guys go again today. Same thing, they've parked the car right across where the fence needs to go, so can't install it. So again, another wasted morning for my guys, so we've had to sort of scramble. Let's look, we're happy, we have a couple of little repairs and stuff like that to do for others, so the lads have gone off to do that. And then rest of the week, we're not far from our yard actually, just down near Bradford City Centre. Doing a job around like a mill that's been converted to flats, I think, but we're doing around the car park and a bit of a woodland area, which has all been cleared for us, hopefully. So we'll hopefully get some footage of that this week, and we'll crack on, and we'll catch you later. And don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.
Good morning, guys. So we just so always lads in background. Good morning, guys. So I don't know if you can hear it. We've got good hearing. Yeah, so we're still on Captain Street in Bradford. Bit of an hard dig going down the hill with half panels. Smiling away. I love it. But bit of an horrible day, but they're cracking on. So like I says, you see the difference when the dig gets hard. So within the space of yesterday, about 12 o'clock, they got all the way down to where the grass, well, the greenery stops. And then now this is what slowed down. Obviously we are only on 11 o'clock in the morning, so but slows down a bit, you know, quite an hard dig into the ground, but they're cracking on. It's been a bit of sleet, a bit of rain, to get it done. We're hoping to get to end of there today and then gate fit today, but I think we're going to run into a bit of a problem down here, just because where the gate's actually going, I'll show you now. Where the gate's actually going, we have got scaffolding here, so it's going to be hard to get our post in there when there's scaffolding right there. So we're meant to be post, gate, but obviously, as you can see, yeah, it's right in the way. So they are meant to be coming and moving it today, but you know how that goes. So what we're going on is basically people were just parking up, fly tipping all over the shop. As you could, you know, if you just have a look around, you'll be able to, them bags there, obviously what we've brought, but the rest of it's not. Like tyres here, there and everywhere, all that crap up there. They were just pulling up and just tipping. So what they've got a bit of a perimeter now. But they're getting there, getting to the bottom. Once they get to the bottom and they stop having to do half panels, so they've probably got another 2 holes to the bottom, and then they can start doing full panels again, and then, you know, won't take half as long. And then I did bring the gate and stuff for them, what's on the van, but obviously until that scaffolding's gone, they can't set the gate up. So we're hoping that someone turns up today and takes that down. It's a bit horrible weather and stuff as well, so it's one of them days. Right. Just back in Bradford with lads. They're pretty much getting done for the day. It's going to run around now with jet wash, clean it all down because it's a bit filthy. I've got the bollards in, stop people from parking all over the shop. The gates were in. So gates are in here. Looking a lot better. We're gonna go get a hook like this here. I'm gonna get one of them just so they've got something to tie this gate to, because when the wind comes it'll end up knocking it off if it don't. But yeah, it's looking good. Sun's out now as well, so you can't complain. I think lads will be done Friday finish, 2 o'clock, and they'll be sorted. Just starting up this morning. Got a repair job. As you can see, it's stormy weather. If anybody were out last night, you know exactly what I mean. But we've got a bit of a repair job over in LS13 today to get done. A nice little surprise. One of the lads from work, Baggies, brought us a nice little football topping from AFC Undercliff. We're gonna have a little look. Our logo on there. It's nice when they bring you gifts in. But we'll go.
Good afternoon, everybody. Friday afternoon, end of another hectic week. Yeah, start of the week, I think I alluded, we've just been finishing off some jobs, and then rest of the week the lads have been working not too far away actually in Bradford. Bit tricky down a steep hill. They've had to put them all in half panels, some mesh fencing, but looks quite well. We've got the gates in, everything. Just finishing up there today. The client added some telescopic ram barriers, so they're putting them in. The sun is actually shining again today. It's been a strange week weather-wise. Snow, rain, hail, sun, you name it, we've had it all this week. So next week we're into the Leeds Easter holidays for the schools, so we've got a week or so in Leeds, then we've got a few more jobs Bradford the week after, so we've about 3 weeks of school works coming up, so a very busy period coming up, so stay tuned. Don't forget to smash that like button, give us a thumbs up, or even subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.